children. Because parang hindi nila sila threaten to make their own yogurt. It's not electric. Inside the yogurt maker, you're going to see a red baffle. You just press it in. Push nyo lang. Hanggang sa loob. Okay. You have a jar. You fill it. You half fill it with water. Okay, you half fill your jar with water. And then you put the contents of a sachet of yogurt inside. Everything. So I'm going to make strawberry yogurt. Put everything in. You tiny, it takes me about 2 minutes to make the entire yogurt. Tapos, pag nalagay nyo na, when you have everything in the jar, you just shake it. Just shake it. You don't even need a spoon. Just shake. So, pag feel nyo that na-dissolve na lahat yung powder sa loob, you add more water. And we use cold water, but my experience, I just use room temperature water. There is a... May pang-measure dito, may line. So you're actually making 1 kilo of yogurt. Fill it up to there, and then close it again. Make sure lang you shake it well. So you shake, you enjoy, you know. You get 1 kilo, you shake it. Ito naman 30 seconds of shaking. Just to make sure na dissolve lahat. If you don't dissolve it, you have some sediments on top, but that's okay. That's not a problem. Oh, tapos na siya. You have liquid yogurt inside. Hindi pa pala siya yogurt kasi dormant pa yung Lactobacillus acidophilus. The good bacteria is still dormant. And then, you have your yogurt maker. Fill it with boiling water up to the top of the baffle. Yung sa ibabaw ng red, hanggang dun lang. Boiling water. So you have either cold or room temperature water in the jar. You have boiling water inside. And then you put your jar in. Tapos na. You've made perfect yogurt. You just wait for about 8 to 24 hours. In my experience, in the Philippines, 12 hours makes perfect yogurt. So if I do it 6 o'clock in the evening, tomorrow morning at 6 o'clock, I open it, naset na yung yogurt. The consistency is like taho. And that's perfect yogurt. If you forget it and you go to your office and you come home 24 hours later, pwede pa rin. The longer it stays beside, the more tart or the more maasim your yogurt is. Sometimes you have water on top. That water is concentrated protein. That's what you call whey. Yung whey, the little Miss Muffet. Yun yun. Don't throw it. You can mix it again into the yogurt, or you can spoon it off and just, you know, drink it. It's very healthy. Don't throw it away. Mix mo na lang. If you want to add fruit, don't add it while you're making it. Pag gawa na, that's when you know, when you're going to eat it. You can add cereal, you can add fruits, you can add whatever you want to add. Muesli or honey, or you can use it for cooking. Pero this one will make perfect yogurt at 7 o'clock tomorrow morning.